How to permanently delete your Instagram account, new working method. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to Instagram for good, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Tap on Account Center option. Move down and tap on Personal Details option. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control option. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion option. Here tap on the account that you would like to delete. On this page, select Delete Account option and tap on Continue. Here choose the reason to why you would like to delete your account and tap on Continue. Enter your password and then tap on Continue. So, on this page you can tap on Delete Account option. Remember, once you delete your account, all your data, photos, videos, and followers will be gone forever. Make sure this is what you want to do before proceeding. This will take 30 days to complete the whole process. And that's it. Your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.